So after discussing the concentration term, let we also start with the factors affecting or influencing the solubility of solvent into the solute. Okay, so in that first we discuss solution of solid in liquid. So if we take a solid, that means if we take a sugar, add into water. So what factors are important? First factor is temperature. So in the temperature, that depends upon after dissociation whether it is exothermic or endothermic. If it is endothermic, that means heat is absorbed, that solubility increases with increasing temperature. So that means if the dissociation is endothermic, the solubility increases with increasing temperature. For example, when you try to dissolve the NaCl, KNO3 and sodium Na2. So if the dissolution is exothermic, the solubility decreases with the temperature. When you consider the solubility of gases in liquids, it is generally expressed in terms of absorption. That means absorption when the gas is dissolved. Absorption coefficient, which is defined as the volume of gas reduced to NTP, normal temperature and pressure, dissolved by unit volume of solvent at particular temperature, and the pressure should be 1 atm. Okay, so now factors influencing the solubility of gas in liquid. So first of all, nature of the gas. So the gases which are easily liquefiable, that will be more soluble. For example, carbon dioxide is more soluble in water than oxygen and hydrogen. So next, nature of the solvent. The gas is capable to forming the ions in aqueous state. Aqueous solutions are more soluble in water than the other, for example HCl and ammonia. The temperature, very important, as we are knowing that Charles law. As the temperature increases, the volume of the gas increases. The temperature, as the temperature increases, solubility of gas in liquid is what decreases. So as there is a general question that why aquatic animals prefers to stay at the lower layer of the water during summer. So what happens is in summer, the intensity of the sunlight is higher. Because of that, the upper surface of the water gets heated, and as the water gets heated, the dissolved oxygen in that is escape out, and there gets very less amount of oxygen for the respiration. So that's why the aquatic animals prefers to stay at the lower layer of the water. Now then after we have to discuss the very important point, that pressure of the gas, that is Henry's law. The Henry's law, what is the statement of the Henry's law? The solubility of given mass of a gas, or the mass of a gas dissolved per unit volume of solution, is proportional to the pressure of the gas at constant temperature. Therefore m is what? Mass of the gas is directly proportional to the pressure, or when you remove the proportion sign, there is a Henry's constant K. So m is equals to Kp. Or we can say that S is directly proportional to the pressure. So S means what? Solubility of given mass of the gas is directly proportional to the pressure above the gas at constant temperature. That means if you remove the Henry's constant is here Kh. Kh stand for Henry's constant. S is equals to Kh into P. Now we have to consider the Henry's law in terms of volume. So the volume of the gas dissolved in a solvent at a given temperature is independent of the pressure. So most of the gases which obeys the Henry's law are, we have to consider the few of the points, the gases which will obey the Henry's law. So first of all, in that first point is when the pressure is not very high. That second, the temperature is not very low. The gas is not highly soluble, and here gas does not form any compound with the solvent, and gas does not undergo dissociation. So next is what? Solid in solid. If we try to dissolve the solid in solid, it depends, that means mainly the metal alloy. So when we have to mix two or more different metals purposefully to increase the physical properties as well as the mechanical properties and chemical properties, that is called as alloy. For example, Babital is the alloy of what? Iron plus lead. So that is used as anti-friction agent, which is used in the bearings. And now next important point for the consideration of liquid solution, as we are discussing the liquid solution in this topic. So vapor pressure. Vapor pressure means what? Escaping tendency of liquid go into gas state. So each and every liquid has that tendency undergoes gas state.